All right, let me make the first. Let's go to the first question of the homework. Okay, so the first question, homework. Firm AAA's bond price is $850. Coupon rate is 5%. Par is $1,000. For bond, par is always $1,000. And I think at this moment you should have known what par is, right? Par is just originally each bond contract is $1,000. Once it is traded in the market, the price will go up and down. So par is just like original price of the bond. So or the money the company borrowed from bond investor originally. So in the end, the company should pay back $1,000 to whoever is the bondholder at that time. So par value is the money like the company owed to the bondholders, and when the bond contract is due, the company has to pay back this $1,000 to the bondholder. So that's par. It's always $1,000. It's standardized for like a corporate bond or a treasury bond. It's the same, $1,000. Okay, so now let's calculate the first one. Let's do the first one. The firm AAA's bond price is $850. Coupon rate is 5%. Par value is $1,000. The bond has 6 years to mature. So when you read this question, so bond price is known. Price is PV. Is known 850. N or ampere is 4. And coupon is PMT, which is 5%, which is a coupon rate multiplied by 1,000. So it should be $50. So bondholders will be getting $50 as coupon payment every year. Okay, so FV for bond pricing is always 1,000. So you see the question. So you see the rate is unknown. So this is a question. But however, the question is not asking for rate. Another name for rate is called yield or yield to maturity. But the question is asking for current yield. So the question is asking for current yield is how much? Current yield, another word for current yield is just like return from coupon. Is this current yield? So it's just like you pay $850 for this bond and your coupon is $50. How much is your return? The current yield definition or the equation should be coupon over price. In our time value of money concept, in time value of money terms, so terminologies, so it should be PMT over PV here. So you see $850 should be the market price. Coupon $50 should be coupon. So current yield should be PMT over PV. So the answer should be 5.88%. This is this one. So you can find the current yield equation, and in the website you see current yield equals to annual dollar interest paid or coupon over market price. So we just return to investors from coupon. So that's the definitions for current yield. There's no Excel equations for this one. Okay, so this is the first question. And the second question, for a zero coupon bond. For a zero coupon bond, use the following information to calculate its yield to maturity. The answer should be 14.35%. Zero coupon bond, and that means PMT or coupon is $0. And when you read the question, see price is $250, then PV is price equals to $250. And then so you see it's way below 1,000. FV is always 1,000. It's also called par. And also years left to maturity should be ampere. Ampere should be 10. But however, for zero coupon bond, you should consider this as like a semi-annual coupon bond. It's just like the company will pay coupon twice a year, even though there's zero coupon, but you still consider this is a zero coupon bond. So ampere should be 10 times 2, and that means it's semi-annual coupon bond. So ampere is double, should be doubled. It's doubled. We have 20 semi-annual in 10 years. That's why. So this is ampere. And also what we should know is rate. It's called in bond should be yield to maturity. So this is the question. So you see, so you have the inputs, but however, when you have, let's see, for bond, PMT should always be positive. The sign has to be positive. Price, because this is a price you paid to purchase this bond, so sign should be negative. So see, we should add a negative sign for this price for PV. Future value is the payment of $1,000 back to investors in the end. So sign should be positive. This is the money paid to investors. The PV is the price which is paid to the company by the investors. So paid for this bond, so it's different. And now you can get the rate. But however, the period is semi-annual. So when you get the rate should be the semi-annual rate. So now when you get it, don't forget you should multiply by 2. Right? So see, so if you use Excel, so it should be rate function, and it should be, the first input should be 10 times 2. This is ampere. PMT, zero coupon bond is 0. PV is negative 250. 1,000 is future value. You can ignore type because it's assumed to be paid for coupon in the end of each semi-annual period. Okay, and remember, and multiply by 2. Don't forget that. Don't forget. So what you get from rate function is returns to the bondholders in semi-annual period. So you should multiply by 2. So you should get 14.35%. Zero coupon bond is the most risky bond because you don't receive any cash flows in the 10 years. So that's why the returns should be the high risk, high return. That's why. All right.